Begin tonight with a Buffalo mother's murder, putting those controversial bail reform laws back in the spotlight. Many voices say this crime could have been prevented, with one now calling on top state officials to investigate whether the system failed. Police say Amanda Thompson was shot and killed in her South Ogden Street home on Thursday morning. 49-year-old Ricky Crouch is now charged with her murder. Investigators say Crouch was Thompson's ex-boyfriend and was arrested a number of times in the weeks before her death. In a letter sent to the state attorney general, Buffalo Common Council member Bryan Bollman is now calling on Thompson's death to be viewed as a tragic and deeply troubling incident. He writes this case has raised serious concerns about gaps in our current legal system and is asking Letitia James to investigate the circumstances surrounding Thompson's death. Tonight, our 7 News reporter Kristen Moran is turning the mic over to Councilman Bollman, advocating for change in domestic violence policies. Kristen also shares voices from the Family Justice Center explaining partner abuse is a public health crisis.
Buffalo Common Council President Bryan Bollman is raising concerns following the death of Amanda Thompson at this home on South Ogden Street.
My want here is to get to the bottom of that and what was this? Where did this go wrong? How did this happen? Those are the answers that Amanda's family deserves, her children, her mother, and also our community.
49-year-old Ricky Crouch is accused of shooting and killing Thompson. He was arrested last week on the 90 when a state trooper spotted him causing a traffic backup. This isn't Crouch's first run-in with police. Nearly 30 years ago, Crouch was convicted of second-degree murder. You can see him here handcuffed in 1996. He was released early from parole in 2023.
So I'm curious as to the parole board. What did they see where they thought releasing him early was the play?
Then in May, he was arrested for burglary at Thompson's home and for violating an order of protection. He was released in both cases.
In my mind, I think he should have been in jail already and that Amanda should be alive right now.
That's why Bollman sent this letter to the Office of the Attorney General asking where the gaps were in this legal process.
What were the barriers that prevented us from not seeing the red flags or acting on the red flags?
This case also spotlights domestic violence. At the Family Justice Center, Kelly Gass says cases spike during the summer.
Domestic violence is very real, and it's something that we see and deal with every single day.
Crouch was arrested for obstruction of breathing, a misdemeanor. Gass warns strangulation is often a warning sign in domestic violence cases.
Somebody who is a victim of strangulation is 750 times more likely to be killed by that same partner.
It's patterns like these, Gass says, can't be ignored.
It's concerning when we look at all of these cases where, where there is a history and a reflection of that. We need to be concerned as a community. It really is a public health crisis.
Meantime, Bollman is asking for members of the AG's office to attend a council meeting in September. The AG's office has yet to respond to our requests for comment. Kristen Moran, 7 News, Buffalo.
Eye-opening, Kristen. Thank you. If you or someone you know is experiencing domestic violence, help is available. The numbers for the Family Justice Center, Erie County Child and Family Services, and the National Domestic Violence Hotline are here on your screen. We also have these numbers available for you on WKBW.com.